Hello, Minecraft gamers. Tired of stumbling in dark caves? Let's light up your world with the FullBright texture pack for Minecraft 1.215. This 2-minute guide makes it super easy, so if you dig it, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Step 1. Grab the FullBright pack. Head to the first link in the description. It's a safe CurseForge page. Click Download after a quick 5-second ad, and you'll get a .zip file, about 2 megabytes, saved to your Downloads folder. Step 2. You'll need OptiFine to make this pack work. Use the second link in the description, straight from OptiFine.net. Click Download for the 1.2.1.5 version, a .jar file, roughly 5 megabytes. Got both? Awesome. Step 3. Double-click the OptiFine.jar file. A window pops up. Click Install to add OptiFine to your Minecraft launcher. It takes like 10 seconds. Now open your Minecraft launcher, pick the OptiFine 1.2.1.5 profile from the drop-down, and hit play. In the main menu, click Options, then Resource Packs. Click Open Resource Pack folder. A File Explorer window shows up. Drag that FullBright.zip file from your Downloads folder into this one. No need to unzip it. Back in Minecraft, you'll see the FullBright pack in the available list. Click it, then click the arrow to move it to Selected. Hit Done, and Minecraft will load the pack. Takes a sec. Now jump into any world and boom! Caves, oceans, everything's totally lit. No torches needed. If it's not working, restart Minecraft or check you're using OptiFine. That's it, you're set. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Minecraft biome in the comments. Peace out. See you in the next one.